1, 2, 3, come on!
Hello friends, today we are going to learn determinants, which is of FYGC Commerce Mathematics chapter number 6. Let's start. By seeing the word determinant, what first question comes in your mind? Yeah, what is determinant? Determinant is a function which accepts n into n matrix as an input or output in a real or a complex number. The concept of determinant was discussed by the German mathematician G.W. Leibniz. The determinant sign is denoted by triangle. How are determinants modified? Horizontal line, which is A1 and B1, are called row 1, and A2 and B2 are called row 2. Same, A1 and A2 are called column 1 and B1 and B2 are called column 2. This is called second order or 2 into 2 matrix. This we have learned in 10th standard, but in 11th standard we are learning horizontal line A1, B1, C1 are called row 1, A2, B2, C2 are called row 2, A3, B3, C3 are called row 3. Similarly, vertical line A1, A2, A3 are called column 1, B1, B2, B3 are called column 2, C1, C2, C3 are called column 3. This is called third order or 3 into 3 matrix. There are two properties of determinants. Property 1 says us that the value of a determinant remain unchanged if its rows are turned into column or columns are turned into row. Here I have written one example: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 3 into 3 matrix. Here row is converted interchange into column. Row is converted into column. Here, but the value will not changed. The value will be same. Property 2 says us that if any two row or column of a determinant are interchanged, then the value of a determinant changes its sign. Here I have given one example: 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Row 1 are interchanged with row 2 here, but the one difference is that difference is that the minus sign will come in the place of positive sign. In the same way, 7, 8, 9, in the same way, column 1 is interchanged with column 2, but there is one difference, that is minus sign will come in the place of positive sign. Exercise 6.1. Evaluate the following determinant. First question, that is 4 and 7, minus 7 and 0. This solution this sum we have done in 10th standard last year. We have to first cross multiply this 0 into 4 and minus 7 into 7. So any number multiplied by 0 will come 0, and minus 7 into minus 7 will become plus 49. So our answer is 49. Same, this is new year 3 into 3 matrix sum. So this is also very easy. Only you have to focus on row 1. Copy A as it is and then hide this first row and column 1. Then what is left? BF and FC, and write beside A. Then copy H and hide first row and column 2. Then what is left? H, G and FC, and copy. Here minus sign will come as we have learned in last year. Then copy G and hide row 1 and column 3. What is left? HG and BF. Copy as it is beside G. Solve it. Here also cross multiplication again. So what will come? B, and copy A as it is again. BC minus FC square, because F into F will become F square, minus H as it is, and again cross multiplication. HC I have written in alphabetic order. It's your wish as you want to write. And then minus FG, plus sign again. Then copy G, cross multiplication, FH minus BG. Then one equation will be when equation will form, then as we have learned in last year expansion form, we have to do that only. Expand it, a will be multiplied by bc minus fc square. So what will come? abc minus af square minus h multiplied by ch minus fg. What will come? Minus ch square minus ch square and minus into minus plus. So plus fgh. Then expand this equation, g with g multiplied by fh minus bg square. So plus gfh minus bg square, because g into g will become g square. So again we have got one equation, then solve it. This first we have to solve this. So we get 2gh, because these both are same, and plus sign is there. So we have to first do this abc plus 2fgs, and then rest we have to copy as it is. So we get answer abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus ch square minus bg square. Last sum of this question, this is also same, but at the place here we have learned, here we have seen this sum that all alphabet are in positive, and here they have given in negative. Here also we have to copy 0 as it is, then hide row 1 and column 1. So what we get? What is left? OC 0C minus C and 0. Copy as it is beside 0. Then again copy A as it is, minus we have to put. Last year we have done this. Copy minus A will come. Then hide row 1 and column 2. What is left? Minus A, B, minus C and 0. Copy as it is beside minus A. Then again we have to copy minus B and hide row 1 and row 2. Here plus will come, and in bracket minus B will come. What is left? Minus AB and 0C. Copy as it is beside it. Then solve. Cross multiplication again, but here we have to write 0, because any number or any alphabet multiplied by 0 will come 0 only. So I have not written here full, I have written directly 0. Then solve next. Here also cross multiplication. So what will get? 0 into minus A will become 0. We have to put minus, and in bracket minus BC will come. Next sum. Here also cross multiplication. Minus AC. Here we have to put minus B, then in bracket minus AC, and B into 0 will become 0. So next here we get one equation. We have to solve first bracket. So यहाँ पर माइनस और माइनस का होता है प्लस होगा, तो माइनस ए प्लस बी सी ब्रैकेट में आएगा. माइनस बी जैसा है वैसा लिखो, फिर माइनस ए सी आएगा. यहाँ पर 0 का तो कुछ वैल्यू नहीं रहेगा, तो यहाँ पर माइनस ए सी लिखेंगे. फिर यहाँ पर ये इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे जैसा पहले वाले सम में किए थे सेम. माइनस ए को मल्टीप्लाई करने का ये इक्वेशन से, और माइनस बी को इससे मल्टीप्लाई करने का. सो what will we get? Minus ABC minus B into minus AC will become plus ABC. Then cut ABC, and because minus ABC and plus ABC, minus will come, and answer will get to is 0. Done. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, comment and share as much as you can.